Yo, man. Amazing. Shit. Qué chévere.
Esta es la segunda.
¿Cuál?
Esta es la segunda y allá es la primera. Aquí es donde está la piscina natural.
Ok, cool.
La ciudad vale la pena de venir instalada.
Claro, sí. Yo, man, so we just arrived to this little... ¿Cómo le dicen acá? Esto es como la cascada...
Cascadas Marinka.
Cascada Marinka en Minca. La primera yo pensaba que eran Marica, yo. Mañana vamos para Marica, yo. Yo no voy para Marica. Yo, man, this is awesome. Really cool. Qué chévere. Y ellos tienen cosas así por todo esto, ¿verdad? Que super cool. Yeah, man, so this is the vibe, you know, these little nets, you know, just hanging out. It's awesome. Qué cool. Sí. Qué lindo esto, man. Check this out, guys. Steps. So yeah, man, right now we are in Marinka. We're walking through this little like path of like steps to a waterfall. Spanish we call it cascada. I'm out of breath. But it's awesome. Yo cuando me dijeron de esto, yo pensé, me dijeron, no, es que vamos en carro privado, como el carro de Mimi. Y yo, chévere, eso vamos a estar sentados hasta que lleguemos. No creo, para nada. Yeah, look at this though. Oof. No, espérate. Hey, hold up, y'all. You know, you come out, you walk, and then out of nowhere you have this. Whoa. Fire. Dope. Yeah, man, so you got these little waterfalls. Look at these waterfalls, bro. This is called Marinka. Lit. So yeah, man, so these are... So ¿cuántas cascadas hay aquí en... So there's two? Okay. Amazing. Yeah, man. This is it. So you guys see, you have waterfalls. This place is just surrounded by amazingness. You have, you know, these waterfalls. It's crazy, you know, and just surrounded in this lush of green, amazing, beautiful. Dope. So yeah, man, we're gonna keep exploring, keep walking around, and I'm gonna bring you guys, you know, what Minca has to offer. You know the vibes. So yeah, man, we just went to the waterfalls for a little bit, got some cool pictures, took some cool videos, and now walking back and see what else they got here to offer, which is really cool. Like I said, I didn't expect it. I thought You know, we're gonna come here and just walk around and stuff like that, but I didn't expect to see all the flush, you know, greenery, all the plants, all the nature. Amazing, love it. Even the climate's a bit cooler up here, which is awesome. Feels good. And now I'm just gonna keep walking and exploring. So all you see is just green, green, green views. Yeah, man, amazing, amazing. Look at the color of the. It's just so beautiful, man. So out of my element because like I'm not used to this kind of stuff. But sometimes you gotta go out your comfort zone. We out here. We out here. Steps. Yeah, man, you know the vibes. All kind of tourists. You got people from all parts of the world. A whole bunch of tourists, you know. So, awesome, 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 awesome. Yeah, man. And this is a little, you know, guest house or little restaurant. You know, you got little restaurant. You got some good stuff here. Good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. And yeah, man. Dope. Look at another waterfall. Watch, watch, watch. Now we're in a traffic jam. Yeah, man. Amazing. Minca. Very awesome.
Oh, I hate when people, okay, like you go to Paris, the Eiffel Tower, and then they cut off the Eiffel Tower.
And they take 2 pictures and then you have to ask them.
Exactly.
Check this out. Look at more, look at more, look at more.
To get the back part, like the famous Eiffel Tower. And then they cut like half my leg back. I'm like, what the hell is this?
Yeah, man, so right now we're in this place, man. It's amazing hostel. Crazy views. ¿Cómo se llama este hostel, bud?
Sierra Minca.
Sierra Minca hostel, man. Shit is crazy. It's on another level of hostel. Never seen nothing like it. There it is, man. Oof.
It's amazing, man. Also, you can find a lot of animals around, nature. You know, this kind of shit is crazy, man.
Amazing. It's
Like
beautiful.
Going back to the regions.
Yep. You see the artwork and everywhere has views. Even here, I don't know what this is, like a little drying station. Views. Like, you got views everywhere. It's crazy. Like, hang their clothes. Just chill.
Long time ago, it was a farm.
It was a farm? Uf, they pick people up. Uf, a mí me encantaría, bro, estar en esa mierda como un safari, bro. Yeah, so we're gonna head out. We're gonna go to the other location, but we'll keep it live. We'll keep it on. Oh, sí, yo pensé, yo dije, diablo, se me olvidó la camisa hasta que te vi con ella. Gracias. Gracias, papá. Chacho, llegaron, pero que llegaron.
Ah, no, tú bajas la moto ahí en la esquinita mientras salen ellos.
Yeah, man. No salgo acá, me pago.
Aquí, pues, para que salgan ellos.
Claro. We had to park it here because it's a little blockage, but yeah, man. So there's 2 different levels of hostels. Right now we're on the bottom one. Let's go to the. The one I just showed. it was the top, right? So it had real top views. Ooh. Sí, bro. Dale, buena. But yeah, man, and then you come to this other part and you see this. People checking in the reception right there, bam. This is the pickup van. Fuimos. And then right now, like I said, this is, let me show you guys real quick. 3, 2, 1. This is the bottom part. Amazing views. Nice plants. Beautiful hostel. Beautiful house. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So yeah, I'll post the link in I'll post their link in the description. And yeah, if you guys ever come out to Minca, you know, Colombia, you guys have it. A lot of people, and look at the views in 3, 2, 1. Little station where you could eat. Imagine having a meal. I just had a steak and I was just sitting right here. It's like a little table, right? Little chairs, very cool. Imagine eating and seeing this. This is the view. Yeah, I'd say it's a crazy experience. So like I said, I'll have the link. I'll have all the info in the description. If you guys ever do come out here, you already know the vibes. You come check it out, man. It's called Sierra Minca Hostel. One more time, the views. It's crazy, man. I said you can have lunch, dinner. You can what?
You can see Santa Marta.
You see right there?
Yeah.
Where that little.
Far away, huh?
It's a bit far. So we were there, and now we're here. The elevation, we came up higher. It's cooler, you know, and it's amazing. It's amazing. Little pool. It's a vibe. There's a whole bunch of, you know, vegetation. Little chill area if you want to work. You know, have some lunch, dinner, breakfast, whatever. Tons of people, so you already know. You already know, man. And yeah, like I said, I'll bring you guys with me the whole way. And we're leaving Colombia soon. So it's sad, you know, but we'll be back. And I definitely want to come explore this area more because I haven't really. And I kind of feel dumb for it, but it's all good. And now I'll bring you guys with me on the journey back down because now we came up. It took about 45 minutes on moto. Crazy ass roads, you know, even one little slip, you know, but it's all good. And now we'll head back down, have some, you know, maracuya juice, passion fruit juice. And we went and saw a coffee farm. We did, we came up here to this, we saw 3 waterfalls and explored the jungle a bit. And now we came and checked out this location. And like I said, it's just mesmerizing, man. And I'm awed by it. You know, little swings that if you want, I'll show the views in another video I recorded. And yeah, man, it's crazy. So, like I said, appreciate you guys always tuning in. If you haven't liked, share, subscribe, you already know the vibes. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on all my social accounts. You know, right now after this video, the next video I'll be posting is me going back home. I'm going to go to Puerto Rico and I'm going to go see the family. And I'll bring you guys with me, man. It's been a while since I posted, but it feels good. You know, I've been working on some things on my own, you know, personal, and how to kind of step away from the camera for a bit, but I feel good. We're back, and I'll be posting more content, man. I'll be posting more content, so be on the lookout. Stay tuned. You already know the vibes, man. It's travel life. It's always travel life. Let's get it, man. That was a crazy ride, man. Finally made it back to the road, not, you know, not dirt. And a little bit of the town, man. Qué dolor de rodilla tengo. Aguantando presión, cabrón. Chévere. But yeah, man, we just made it back. And now we are at the beginning. So basically, before you go into Minca, you go down this main road right here. And this road right here, you see all the little restaurants, hostels, stuff like that. You go down this road right here, and that's where you see everything. That's where you go into the wilderness, you go to all the hostels, you go up, and you go into Minca. So there's like the little city town part of Minca, and then you go up into actual Minca, into the actual, you know, the rainforest. And that's where it gets real. But it's worth it. About a 45-minute ride on moto. You could also do cars. And then from there, you know, the fun begins. So if you guys want to come to Minca, man, I'll put a link, you know, and, you know, get you guys on the right path. If you guys ever come to Colombia, make sure you come check it out. Minca, you know, Santa Marta, Palomino, Tayrona. And like I said, I'll put, you know, a link in the description with some cool hostels and where to check it out, some restaurants where we ate, you know, the best views, you know, best ways to get up there. You already know the vibe, just travel live. I'll see you guys on the next one, man. Appreciate you guys rocking with me. Back to the Dreamer. Yeah, man, so we started here. Started at the base, you know, Dreamer. Shout out to the Dreamer. Love these guys, been here for a while. I love. It's another second place like home to me. This is it. Damn. And yeah, man, so if you guys definitely are interested in going to Minca, make sure if you do it, you do it with them. Best of the best. They'll take care of you. Tell them that, you know, imaginable traveler sent you. You already know the vibes, man.